Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel NS Learning. Today we are going to learn about deep learning. So let's start to learn about deep learning. What is deep learning? Artificial intelligence, perception, reasoning, planning. And next, machine learning, optimization, computational statistic, that is supervised and unsupervised learning. And the deep learning is that neural networks, distributed representations, hierarchical explanatory factors, unsupervised feature engineering. Who introduced deep learning? So, Rena Dacher, the term deep learning was introduced to the machine learning community by Rena Dacher in 1986 and to artificial neural by Igor Eisenberg and their colleagues. And the next is deep learning. So, what do you mean by deep learning? Deep learning is nothing but a paradigm of machine learning which has shown incredible promise in recent years. This is because of the fact that deep learning shows a great analogy with the functioning of the neurons in the human brain. And here we can see the diagram where artificial intelligence, then machine learning, then inside them a deep learning. So what is artificial intelligence? A technique which enables machines to mimic human behavior. And what is machine learning? That is a subset of artificial intelligence technique which use statistical methods to enable machines to improve with experience. And the deep learning is subset of ML which make the computation of multi-layer neural network feasible. And why deep learning is important? So the major advance in image recognition. So here we use machine learning to image recognition, that is search and automatically organize collection of photos just like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook. And the next is speech technologies work much better. So we use deep learning in speech technology also, like speech recognition, Apple Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana, translation of spoken sentences, Google Translate. As we know, Google Translate is much more important nowadays. Where we can use Google Translate to translate any language. Just like if you have to translate English to French or English to Russian, so that we can easily translate. And the deep learning also improving medical applications, robotics, autonomous drones, self-driving cars, etc. And what are the applications of deep learning? Top applications of deep learning across industries. As we know, everything which is related to computers and programming, they all are uses in industries. So just like self-driving cars, new aggregations and fraud news detection, natural language processing, that is NLP, virtual assistant, visual recognition, fraud detection, healthcare. So here all are the top applications of deep learning across the industry. What are the types of deep learning? So the types of deep learning algorithms, and that is convolutional neural network, that is CNNs. Long short-term memory networks, that is LSTMs. Recurrent neural networks, that is RNN. Generating adversarial networks, that is GANs. Radial basis function networks, that is RBFNs. Multi-layer perceptions, that is MLP. Self-organizing maps, that is SOM. This is all about the basic information about deep learning. I hope this video is helpful for you. In next video we are going to learn about natural language process. So the link of that video is given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.